This is a customer's polished part. He needs us to address these pain points. In order to address these issues, we choose at P10 for 600 seconds polish. 1. Low cost. Our polishing machine can cut reprocessing time and costs slashing expenses. 2. High efficiency. 24/7 automated polishing, more efficient, more consistent, and faster batch processing, lower labor costs. Let's take a look at the overall before and after comparison. 3. High quality. Loss as low as 0.02 m. Ultra smooth, flaw-free, high fit-in, low wear and tear. You can also choose the right polishing machine according to your needs.